Well, what a day today. We got a Rica iSoftloader. Yeah, buddy. So today I'm gonna show you how this tuning your Volvo work. Got the iSoftloader. You got the handbook here that tells you how to work this thing. So here's the iSoftloader. The plug-in, one of them is that you hook up to the OBD. There's a cable that you plug in into your OBD port in the car. There's a cable that you plug in into the computer to download. Once you download your file from the car with this cable to the iSoftloader, then you hook up this USB port and then download the tune onto your computer, and then you send it to Rica Engineering. And also they include this little nice sticker. It's a rubber sticker that you put on your window. Yeah. So it seems like it wants us to download some sort of file from their website onto our computer and then download it onto the iSoftloader. So we'll do that right now. So, and usually they send you a CD to insert into your laptop, or as in our case, we contacted Rica, our Eurosport Tuning, and then they sent us a link to download that file right there, the iSoftloader sync, pretty much SYNC. So once you download that, you open up that program, you register yourself, you enter your address, your information into that program, and then you plug in this iSoftloader, the tuner, and then you activate it through that program. And then once you activate it, the laptop will tell you to plug it into your car. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so now I want to get it plugged into the car. It says to turn your ignition on. We already have that on. So we'll press enter now. So it's scanning the vehicle now. Press any key. Turn the car switch off. So we're gonna do that what it says. So we got it plugged into the car. We logged in onto that file right there again. Clicked on it, entered our password that we created, and clicked next, and then I guess it downloaded information from this vehicle and sent it to Rica. So now we're gonna wait, like it says right here. Rica is processing your details. Please wait for further instructions. So they will send you an email also with the further instructions. The email from Rica. They sent me an email with further instructions. So I came with the iSoftloader, opened this program up, hooked it up to the computer, it updated it, and it told me to hook it up to the car. So I hooked it up to the car. It's inside now. It says please wait, be aware that this may take up to 8 hours. So I left the key on, plugged that in, closed the door, got myself a trickle charger, automatic battery charger, hooked that up because it's really important that you keep your battery charged at all times so it doesn't screw up the download of your ECU information. So yeah, now we wait. Once that downloads, we'll send it to Rica and they will tune it and send me the final file. So I'd say about 2.5 hours later, this was ready. I hooked it up to the car. It says about 8 hours, but it took about 2.5, I'd say. It says to disconnect and connect it to the computer, so I connected it. Opened my Rica iSoftloader up, connected this iSoftloader, and he automatically sent the files to Rica. So yeah, now we're gonna wait for further instructions, probably with the fully complete tune.
So I logged into the app, signing in. When you sign in, it says downloading. Let's wait and see what's gonna download. After Rica sent me the email that it's ready to download, and then this is what pops up on this computer. Is plugged in. Updating iSoftware. Softloader. Apparently it's keep telling me this. Firmware update of software failed. Keep trying, says the same thing. We'll retry it. I contacted Rica about this and we'll see what's gonna happen. I highly doubt they're gonna work this weekend, so sucks, but we're gonna have to wait until Monday. It's okay, hope it's gonna be worth it. Try it again. Updating iSoftloader. I have no idea why it's doing this. Why it's not letting it, but we'll update you when Rica replies to my Gmail.
So now we pretty much, they didn't let us download the tune because my antivirus stuff was on. So now I turned it off and it's downloading. I chose my stage. They will ask you what stage tune you want that's available that they sent you. You choose that and then you press download stage and it downloads it right here. Once that's done, we're gonna go and download it to the car. So now it's plugged it into the car, downloaded to the iSoftloader. So it says to press enter. So we'll do that. Program the car. Load tuned software. Okay, there you go. So now it's preparing. I think it's erasing codes. So it's pretty much programming now, so I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna unpause it when it finishes. So it's erasing codes now. Programming finished. Please sync your iSoftloader with the Rica server. So yeah, now it's done. So we're gonna go take it for a test drive. So yeah, that's a complete process of how to tune your car with the Rica tuner iSoftloader. No check engine lights after the program, nothing. So now I'm editing the videos. I'm gonna post it for you guys. Hopefully this tuning video will help somebody out. If it did, please give my video a thumbs up. Even if you guys just watching just for fun, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It will help me out a lot. Tell your friends to do so as well. It won't affect you guys much, but it will help me out a lot. Just give me motivation to make this kind of videos. The more subscribers, the more views I get, the more time and effort I'm going to put into my videos. Thank you guys. Ciao.